Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Guys, first I'll if you're new in my channel, so please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new video notifications. And guys, see how he's sleeping. See how he's sleeping here. Laddu, Laddu, hi Laddu, hi Laddu. He was waiting for me outside. You know what is the time now? Now is 11:55. He was waiting for me outside. I just came and he came with me, and whenever he show me, he's very excited. He's very excited. It's very loving. See, he's sleeping in my bed. How he's sleeping. See, Laddu, Laddu, Laddu. He's sleeping. So guys, please do subscribe my channel and help street dog or love your dog, love your pets, dog, cats, or any animals. Love them. They need your love. Just they need love. They don't need anything. They don't need the part of your property. They just need your love. So guys, please help them and don't hit them. Don't hit any animals. Today I saw, not today, yesterday I saw one dog. Someone hit him by a stone or by wooden, or I don't know, but the blood was coming out from his head and it's big injury he got. And yesterday morning I took him there in hospitals and we did treatment for him, and I don't know where he is now. I did not saw anywhere outside. I hope he's better now. He's feeling well, I hope, because I do not see him. So we'll pray for him. And because I am new in this city, or there is so many dogs, so many street dogs, so many street disabled dog. Some dog they lost their leg, or some their ear, or like that. I really feel pity for them. So guys, I need your support. Please do subscribe my channel and share the video, because not for me, for the animals, for the dogs, pets, you can help like that. So your support can give them good life, or if you share this video, it means you're helping them. This is also helping for them. So we have to, being a human being, we have to help each other. If we're who need our help, we have to help them, if it's animals or anyone. So now you can see how he's sleeping. He's very cute, it's pure white today. See, yesterday I give him bath. I don't give him bath every day. Yesterday I give him bath because he is staying outside, so he get dirty every day. But every day I can't I don't want to give him bath, otherwise he will not feeling well. So he is okay for that. If two three three in three and three in a week I give him bath, 3 times in a week, so that is also okay for him. So guys, please, wherever you staying, if there is any street dog or animals who need your help, please help them. And because they have a pure heart, pure, they don't have anything in their heart, they have a pure heart, so we have to know that they are depending on us. If the dog is staying in our colony outside of our home or nearby our colony, it means they are depending on us, they are depending on our colony too for everything, and we have to, this is our responsibility to help them. So I just want help from everyone who is watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel and share the video and like the video, share the video, and do subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And nothing to say, I'm just showing him, you guys can see him. He's very cute. When he was 15 day old, one day I took him inside of my room from outside, and after that he always coming with me. Every day he's waiting for me, and after that he can't sleep outside. I think, I don't know when will I move from this city, how he will stay. I don't know about that, because I can't take him with me. It's far from here. It's too far. It's to, I don't know, 1800 kilometers from here. 1800 kilometers from here. My hometown is 1800 kilometers from here, so it's very far. If I go by air or by train, so it's far. By train it will take 2 days, and by air it will take 2 hours from here to my hometown. So I don't know where he will stay, but not now. It will take time. I'm not going anywhere now. Now he's with me, and after that he will grow. He's growing day by day. After that time, after some time, he will be uh, mature, so he can he can do anything. He can stay anywhere. They just need love. They don't need anything. They don't want any part in your property. They don't want anything in your property. They don't want anything in our property, or they just want love. They just need one time food, that's all. But some people don't know. They thought that what they are doing in our colony and this and that, and they hit them. I really hate the people who hate animals, but more important than that, I love the people who love dogs or who love the animals or pets. Really, so who love the animal, they are pure heart peoples. See how he's sleeping. Laddu, Laddu, you need come. I think he's tired. He just want to sleep. He's sleeping. Just sleeping here. This is his bed. I keep for him. Yeah, let's sleep here. And guys, please, if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and like the video and do share, please. This is my request for everyone. If you share, if you like this video, it means lot for me, lot for the street animals, lot for the dogs or who need our help. So guys, now I'm going to wind up the video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. He's only sleeping now, so nothing to watch here, but thank you. If you guys are still watching this video, thank you so much. It means a lot for me, a lot for the animals. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Good night.